Welcome to our video on how to list your products on Amazon Global Selling. Are you facing challenges with your listings or have questions about how to list your products effectively? In this video, we'll show you how Amazon Global Selling tools and resources that can support you as you list your products across Amazon's 18+ international marketplaces. Here's how you can get the help you need. Attend a live webinar. You can join live webinars hosted by Amazon experts to understand the listing process and learn tips to improve your product visibility. Simply visit the Amazon Global Selling page, hover over the Learn section, click Webinar, and browse the calendar to register for upcoming sessions. Connect with service providers. Accelerate your global growth with Amazon's trusted network of expert third-party service providers. Through the Service Provider Network, SPN, you gain access to experts who assist with essential aspects of listing, such as high-quality product photography, catalog creation, and logistics support. Explore self-help resources. You can also learn at your own pace with our self-help resources. Head to the Amazon Global Selling page, hover over the Learn section, and click Seller Education to explore a wide range of guides and video tutorials that walk you through every step of the listing process. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your listings, the right support is just a click away. Go global with your business on Amazon and unlock your brand's potential across the world. Thank you and happy selling!